Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to descale the mixing bowl on your THERMOMIX TM7. I'll turn on the device. While it's turning on, I'll explain that you should put 1 liter of water in the mixing bowl and then add about 50 grams of vinegar. Or citric acid if you don't have vinegar, about like 2 teaspoons of citric acid. Later you will be able to, let me show you, find the modes here, mode selection button right here, and then select pre-clean mode. Then you can select the browning mode and start the cleaning. Later, you may want to wipe off the, after removing the liquid, you can wipe off the excess scale and rinse your bowl with water. If that didn't help, then you may want to go to the steaming mode. Again, put 1 liter of water, and then select the 15-minute option, then set the rest on the default and also begin the process. And after that, leave the liquid for half an hour in the mixing bowl and later remove it, and that should help. You may need to scrape some of the remaining lime scale manually with a sponge. Just try using a sponge that isn't made of metal. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.